This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Mayo.
It's man. Ngitheni kuwe last.
Utheni Nkumbu?
Pirates win 7.
Yeah, sure.
Yaphinda washaya i-leading.
Yeah.
For something. Yeah, for something.
Yeah, sure.
Amagola ingaka scorerile team.
Apha.
Okay, ngicela ukukutshela
11 plus.
I don't love what uthi Sundowns seyifuna ukuthatha uMabasa.
Bathe bamfuna uRula.
Mabasa umthatha kanjani mfethu? Asaskorela lo muntu umthatha kanjani?
Khuluma nabo Mayo.
Kanjani? Ngicela ukukhuluma Rulani. Ngofuna ukuthatha uMabasa sinike casting serinyo.
Once.
Uthatha uMabasa usinike casting serinyo or uNeo Mayema.
Once.
That's all.
That's you.
Le utshona mafuna ukuthatha uMabasa for mahala ayisebenzi.
Atheshi.
Thatha uMabasa usinike casting serinyo usinike uNeo Mayema then sizoba grand and sokushaya masihlanga. Ngasihlale nawe sokufaka induku.
Ntwana umzulu u-Extend mekathini before igame.
Extend ntwana yami yawo Extend mafethu is a player I accept it and I say amaZulu lapha asayinile iChiefs ihlulekile ukubona ukuthi la ntwana le ayina iplayer ihlulekile iChiefs kuyibona la ntwana le ayiplayer even uSkhotha mina uvini uSkhotha bengathanda ukuthi ahambe kuChiefs njami angithola
Novayile
Novayile it's okay uStelisi it's fine Maka bheka Stellenbosch i-team enkulu ya Stellenbosch nganyathe i-team Stellenbosch sinamasimba siyashisa
sure
akekho ozozivimba yabona umuntu ongavimba iSundowns iPirates Stellenbosch that's the only teams ama-team ayi-2 yiwo angavimba iSundowns
iChiefs uyishiye kanjani
iChiefs ngiyayishiya ayikho indaba yeChiefs njani ayikho usheshe ageza kuphela udlala iWanda Shesha kezola yiwani Udoli mfana ukhola mahala mfana ayikho into ayenzayo la ku Chiefs mfana bamfaki ama injury angapheli singawazi akuyapi abakwinika ayikuwe sike kuyafana ngabakwinika kuyafana ntwana ayikho into abayenzayo ntwana uKaizer Chiefs nje kumele nje bathenga ama player nje like let's say kumele bathenge 11 players like mangabe ngiya-estimate team Mele bathenge 11 players. 11 players ayi 7. Ngibazile bona ba introduce 7 ngithi benzani lapho. Uthenga 11 ayi 7. Ngoba lama player abadlala awayisebenzeli iChiefs njani. So awayisebenzeli Knicks. And hayi ukuthi thina mangabe sidlala siwina sinekwali neChiefs anewa sinekwali neChiefs next. Mara iSundowns nginekwali na.
Unekwali for Sundowns
yazwayo ngithi nginekwali hayi Sundowns mfana iyangichaza because of yenza yonke into right thenga ama player right nama player adlalayo so thina SC Pirates we are the one to challenge Sundowns and I say phone Sundowns
you want it
next season ngiyalithatha league I promise you next season we should to kill baba I never Sundowns thathi league next season
ngiyabonga Mayo
I promise you
ngiyabonga Mayo
ngiyabonga Steven